In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to make your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro vibrate every time there's a successful Face ID authentication. So anytime you successfully unlock your phone with Face ID, anytime you make an authorization, maybe for payment, basically anytime your Face ID successfully makes an authentication, then your iPhone makes a slight vibration. So you can actually tell the authentication was successful. So to do this, you have to enable the option. So just go to settings and then go to accessibility, tap on that. And then under accessibility, you can tap on Face ID and attention, tap on that. And then you should see haptic on successful authentication. So enable that. Now, once you enable that, anytime Face ID successfully authenticates anything, then there's going to be a slight vibration on the iPhone. So you can test it with actually unlocking your phone. So like that, there's going to be a very slight haptic feedback. Okay, so that's basically how to make your iPhone slightly vibrate for every successful Face ID authentication. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and even subscribe for more tips, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.